So I got a little grocery haul kind of. I got Lilee's to put on my coffee table, the Vogue issue, this Bella Hadid one. I absolutely love the outfit. I just think it's so pretty and natural, so I got this. A new wood toothbrush, and then I'm making the Allison Roman dilly bean stew tonight for dinner. So I have everything else, but I just needed the, you could do any white bean really. You can do butter beans, but I do cannellini and Great Northern beans. I do a mix. I have dill for that, little loofah, and then I got this. It's just like a lemon, basically probably like a more natural like lemonade style from Zupan. So little grocery haul. But in bigger news, okay, so this just got here. It's the boucle sofa from CB2. I cannot believe it. They literally just put it in, so I need to rearrange everything, like move everything. I put my mirror there for now. TV's behind me, but oh my gosh, I cannot believe that I finally have a spot to sit on. And then for reference, my bed right there. And then yeah, there's my window. I'm gonna do a little chair right here. I'll put it up on the screen. I think I'm gonna order it today from that Etsy shop. I am just over the moon excited right now. I'm gonna clean. I will show you guys everything when it's finished. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm working on getting ready for the day, but this is just an Aritzia crop tank. I'll link it down below. These are new Reformation. It's some brown denim. They're really cute. I just washed them, so they're really good for like the first hour. They stretch out quite a bit. I'll show them to you at the end of the day, but they're still really comfy. So these are my favorite eye masks. They're from Shiseido, and I never want to use them. I'm like, oh, I'll save them for a big event, but I literally don't do anything, so I figured I'd throw them on today. This is the packaging. I get them in a little 3-pack from Sephora, but I'm gonna go find a plant at this cute little plant shop, take you guys along. Yeah, and keep cleaning, keep trying to get my little place together. So let's go get a plant. Do some couch reference shots in case you want to get this couch. I want to show you I am 5'7" and what I look like on this couch in a 500 square foot studio. So let's figure this out. Okay, perfect. It's shorter than I thought it was going to be. So, but it has more depth than I thought it was going to. So I can go this like knees all the way back. And then this is me. I feel like you could fit comfortably, like not comfortably 2 of me, probably 3 of me if you want to. But yeah, this is the couch. So very cute. I'm very happy with it. And I think it'll be perfect to get a little chair. Okay, I want to show you the view really quick before I have to get out the door, but it is such a nice day in Portland. I wish the place that I was going to, it's called Please Louise, was a little bit closer, but it's beautiful. It's like 62, sunny, no clouds really, no rain. It's like a perfect day in Portland. It's your little weather report, but yeah, I have to get my butt out the door. Can't cancel plans with myself again. I'm gonna go to happy hour at Please Louise by myself. I'm just gonna get probably a pizza, eat a couple slices, take some home, get a glass of wine, but I'm in the same outfit that I had on earlier. And then these jeans, you can see they stretched out a little bit, nothing crazy. Still think they look good, they fit me, you know, they do the job. Same shoes. And then I curled my bangs in just a little bit and yeah, touched up my makeup. Ready to walk out the door, take you guys to happy hour with me, and yeah, I guess I'll see you at dinner.